products that made my natural hair grow fast in the beginning of year 2021. Moisturizing and retaining my hair length. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when I have more videos. And look up my hair journey on Instagram and my jewelry at Chablee.com. Hi, welcome back to our channel. What? You wanted to tell them something this time? You're not shy? Okay. I'm using an old school product that I used to use in high school, and it just made my hair grow, and I found it again, sis, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna use this. Yes. And hello, I'm talking. And I could not believe it. It was only $2, you guys. So I'm just gonna put it in my hair, you know, after a wash day, and just apply it a little bit on my scalp and throughout my tips, as you see in the video. So watch the whole video straight through. And yes, you guys, use this as much as possible. Not big amounts in your hair, but just try to use it for a whole month and you will see a difference. Alright, you guys, so I completely damped my hair with cold water. I have the shampoo in my hair and all the products that I'm talking about in this video. You know, it just made my natural hair grow so fast in the beginning of year 2021, you guys. And it kept my hair so moisturized, and it, you know, I'm going to give you tips so you can maintain your hair length also. So this is one of the products, you guys. Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restoring Shampoo. And As I Am Coconut Cold Wash. It really works for my hair. You know, I have about of a 3B, 3C hair curl pattern. It's just so thick and it just leaves so much moisture in my hair after using it. So this is how I apply it in my hair. And to maintain, you guys, your hair length, you have to be so gentle with your hair. I did speed up this video so it looks like I'm being crazy with my hair, and then getting a really nice detangler brush can really help. Try to not use a comb, but a detangler brush like this one, I'll put it linked down below. You see how it just glides right through my hair? Yes, sis, it's really good. And I believe I paid like $3 on Sheen to get this detangler brush. So be very gentle with your hair. Take time doing your hair. Try to not rush through your hair, and always put something like a really great deep conditioner or a conditioner mask in your hair so you get really proper slip. Now my hair was very damaged, you guys, and really dry. You know, I had like 2 babies back to back. I had postpartum. My hair was like told from the flow up. And look at my minimum shedding. And that's because I'm so gentle with my hair. So this is the other ingredients that I love using, you guys. Black castor oil. Perfect. I'm making my favorite cocktail, mixing aloe vera juice with black castor oil. Yes, for maximum hair growth. Black castor oil, it will moisturize and thicken, strengthen, and rapid increase your hair growth. Castor oil increases blood flow to the scalp and nourish to the hair follicles. Black castor oil also prevents dandruff, eczema, and dry, itchy scalp. Use it in moderation. Yes, 2 times or 3 times a week is best for best results, y'all. And you can sleep with it overnight. So here's another product that made my natural hair grow so fast in the beginning of year 2021. African's Best Maximum Strength Super Growth Hair and Scalp Conditioner. Man, this made my hair grow, y'all. Just make for sure when you apply this in your hair, you do a protected hairstyle. So now I'm going to apply small amounts in little sections and parts of my hair, all the way from my scalp all the way to my ends, smoothing it down my hair shaft, y'all. This will make your hair grow. Yes. So, and I'm going to do a protected hairstyle after this, but you got to make for sure you really finger detangle and, you know, glide it right down that hair shaft. Because, boy, my hair, I'm not going to lie, has been dry, hard, brittle, and I need to bring my curls in my hair back to life, and I need to get it back healthy again, y'all. So let's do the do. So I apply a good healthy amount on my scalp, stimulate that scalp, promote that hair growth by bringing nutrients to your hair follicles. Yes, you guys, massage that scalp every time you wash your hair and every time you go to bed. And apply a lot on my ends too. That really would help, and it makes it so much easier to finger detangle. So these are great methods to do. They really work, you guys. I'm telling you, I've been doing this always since the beginning of year 2021. And you got my spray bottle with my little bit of aloe vera juice in there and my castor oil, and just spraying it through the hair and applying more of the African grease on there. Super growth. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, protected hairstyles are so good for your natural hair. Protected styles help to keep your hair healthy, y'all, and always for noticeable hair growth. Yeah, how long you can leave it in? I would leave a protected hairstyle, you know, for a couple days, but no more really than 2 weeks, honey child. You gotta wash that hair, you know, get that clean scalp again. When your hair isn't in a protected style, it may feel like tangled, dry, or it might even break, y'all. That can be the results of hair that lost moisture. So you got to make for sure you moisture that scalp and lock in that moisture. And so this is my protected hairstyle. I'm putting a little bit of extra grease around those edges. Yes, so these are some of the products that I use to keep my hair flowing and glowing, y'all. No, just, you know, just healthy, and this really works. So make for sure you make your cocktail. You know, got the aloe vera, a little castor oil in there, a little mixed with a little bit of water. And then I do use African shave butter, so I put that right there in the corner, y'all. That is good. A lot of people make it homemade. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys how it smells. So it smells kind of herbal, if that's something. I mean, I actually like how it smells because it's not like a fake smell. It smells like what it looks like. A lot of herbs and great good stuff.
It's so cute.
It smells? Yeah. It's not strong smell. It doesn't smell like flowers or nothing like that. But super growth, girl, you're going to get it using this product. I love it. I cannot believe I found it again. Do you like how it smells? You don't want to smell it?
Yeah.
It don't smell like nothing, huh? It's very subtle. Very nice, soft smell. But, yeah. Yeah. What's the little bun? It's very shiny. Isn't it shiny? Say shiny.
Shiny.
Shiny. It's very shiny, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do your hair again today. It is very shiny. I do see a big difference. Alright, thanks for watching our video, and bye.
Bye.
Bye, we'll see you next time.